Welcome back to the demo tutorials of Child Journal. In this video, you'll learn how to use the calendar feature on your mobile device. Start by locating the calendar button on the lower right-hand side of your device. When you've entered the new window, you should see the Add Event Plus icon and a Kebab icon, and an option that lets you navigate between different months and years. Let's discuss the plus icon first. The plus icon lets you add an event to your calendar. You can start by adding the category of your event by selecting the drop-down. Then, tap over the title field to add your event's title. Select the date of your event, the start and end time of the event, and the room of the students and teachers who are being invited to this event. Next, choose who you want to share this information with and add a description of the event if needed. Make sure your submissions are entered by tapping the Save button. You can also choose the meal planner to plan student meals. Simply select the meal planner and the date you plan on serving this meal. Then, add meal, select a meal type, the room of the kids who are having this meal, and the food items. Make sure you tap Done and Save to enter your changes. The lesson planning option comes in handy for organizing your lessons. Simply add the date when you plan on giving the lesson and add item. Next, select the room you're presenting this lesson to, the start and end time, and the title of the lesson. You can also add a description if needed. Make sure you select Done and Save to enter your changes. Now, the Kebab icon has two options: Filter Events and Share Plans. Let's discuss the filter option first. The filter option lets you choose between event categories. The calendar will only display the event categories you select. You can choose all categories if desired, or only specific categories. To save your selections and to see your selections displayed in the calendar, simply tap Done. The Share Plans button allows you to share all of your meal and lesson plans for the week with your students' parents. To share your weekly plans, simply tap over the week you want to share and the room of the students whose parents you wish to share this information with. Next, select the category and click Share to send an email notification of your weekly plans. Now, if you want to navigate your scheduled events, simply tap over the right arrow consistently to see the events that have been posted for every month. You have now finished understanding how the calendar option functions on your mobile device. Don't forget to check out the rest of our demo videos for any future help.